What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ed, showing you again. Something is gonna blow your mind. It's gonna make you get out there what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? With the right motivation, with the right approach, you will accomplish what you need in life. Okay? Today, I gotta tell you something. And I'm gonna talk to you about a system. You wanna be able to work from home. It's your chance right now to make a little bit of extra money for you, for your family. Here's your chance. Okay? E1U Life. That's the name of the system. Okay? It's a system that is implemented, that is made for you to help you make some extra cash. It's very simple to use. Okay? I got tons of friends, online marketers that are making it happen. I'll show you. Making it happen and having results. Life-changing results. Okay? And if they go of making it happen, very simple. I got a 30 days videos that you go through it. How to use it, how to set it up, create it. And I'm not telling you you have to leave your job. No. Take little by little. Learn it as you go. You can get paid as $100, $500. And if you're very serious, to have a level that you can make $1,000, even $2,000. Sounds good, right? Ooh, money. Sounds really good. Alright? And I have people that are actually making this type of amount of money. But you have to start. You have to start. Not just by listening to me. I'm telling you, go for it. The minimum is just only $30 just to get the system. How about that? Go through the tutorial videos. I did it myself. You hear this on Beyond Ed. Okay? Once again, in giving you the ideas for you to go through life and go beyond yourself. And up to the next, man. Let's go. Let's rock it. What are you waiting for? Make it happen. So the link is right below me, right below this video. Click it, start it, and make it happen. See you inside the system.